Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For this image I'm jumping straight to Photoshop to create an entry for the PhaseRunner Envato Winter Wonderland challenge. The rules state that most of the image must be created from the stock images PhaseRunner himself chose for the challenge, which meant I couldn't start in Blender for the base image like I normally would. Still, this one was actually more fun than I expected, given the subject matter is way outside my comfort zone of monsters and sci-fi landscapes. Winter Wonderland is not a theme I would normally choose for myself, but I think it's good to challenge your normal way of doing things. Working with constraints and stepping out of your comfortable workflows can inspire new ways of working and help you progress into a better artist. For the basic workflow, if you've ever seen a PhaseRunner video, you know what the process is. I had an idea in my head when I started, so I just created the base plate to work on and then gradually layered on details until it looked done to me. It was entirely straightforward photo editing on this one with lots of color balancing and masking. Still, it was a lot of fun and I'm glad I put something together for it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date on what I'm making, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and let's run it.